Today, we're gonna have chicken and broccoli Alfredo. This is gonna be fun, fam. So yes, today we're gonna have fun making chicken and broccoli Alfredo. In culinary school, taco salad and chicken Alfredo was a staple. And I know you have chicken, broccoli, and leftover Alfredo in your fridge. Cooking shouldn't be that hard, and that's why we're gonna make it that easy. Cooking is a science, and the kitchen is your laboratory. So make any recipe yours. So without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, we're gonna start off by making our chicken and our broccoli. In our saucepan, we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of water. And now you're gonna add in your broccoli, and we're gonna cover that up, family. Next, we're gonna add 3 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna place our burner to medium heat. Now we're gonna take our filet chicken breast, and we're gonna place that in our pan, family. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're gonna go ahead and let this cook until it sizzles, fam. Yes. And after about 3 to 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and flip this over, family. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna add another 1/2 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Now this time, we're gonna go over to our broccoli and we're gonna check what we're looking like. And that is not the consistency that we're looking for. We want the broccoli to slide off of our fork. And remember, family, when you open up a hot pot, open it away from your face.
I have to wash
it. Give me a like. And that is the consistency that you're looking for, family, for the broccoli to slide off your fork. Now we're gonna put on our leftover Alfredo sauce. We're gonna turn the heat to low, and we're gonna give this a quick mix, family. If you wanna know how to make Alfredo sauce, I will leave that in the description below, and I will leave it in the card above. Yes, family. And that is what we want our chicken to look like. Beautiful. Before we plate this up, quick facts. When was fettuccine Alfredo originated? In 1908 by Alfredo Di Lillo, an Italian restaurateur. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay, family, and it's that time to go ahead and prepare to plate up our meal. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our chicken breast, family, into strips, and we're gonna transfer this over to our plate of broccoli. And it's that simple, family. Like I said, cooking shouldn't be that hard. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our Alfredo sauce. And that is the fun part about food, family. Even leftovers can taste beautiful. Delicious! At this time, I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper as my garnish, but you can add whatever you like. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.